What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of the Holden Statesman Series 3. Today's another slow but easy video, I'm hoping. Today we are going to be fixing up this garnish, I think it's called. I don't know, I just like calling it garnish. But yeah, that chrome strip on the back, it came off when I was actually showing someone the car. But yes, one other thing is I actually got a good today. Got a socket which will be going on that breaker bar that I recently bought as well. So I'm actually going to put that on it right now. Open this boot. I'll sit you guys right there. Maybe not. Maybe right there. Yeah, right there. Oh no, maybe not. Maybe actually right there, eh? Hopefully that's not wonky. But yes, so my breaker bar that I got from AutoPro, and I recently got this from AutoPro today. 13 bucks. Don't know if you guys can see. Just $13 right there. Can't remember how much this was. I think it was like 30 bucks maybe. I don't know. It's a good one though. It's a bit dirty because today I was actually changing suspension on full drive, which is, I don't care because I love doing that stuff. Making some cashy jobs. But yeah, changing some shockers today. Pretty good. But yeah, so I need to figure out a way I can just like that, just clip it off. That can go in the bin because I don't want rubbish in my car. Let's see if this fits. And it does, and it even suits it too. So yeah, let's grab you guys real quick. Flip that screen over, and and today we will be using a hot glue gun to be fixing that. Probably not the best idea, but we're doing that. So yeah, that's the new end on it. It's a pretty good looking end actually, like a matte black. Actually like that. I'll actually just check if it fits first. Pop that. Oh, that is perfect. Even bloody suits the car. So yeah, it's a 19mm socket if you guys want to know. For the Stato. Pretty sure it's the same for, well, it's the same for the full drive I worked on today. Dare say it'd be the same for other Commodores as well. Probably not the VEs, I'm not sure, but yeah. So it's a 90mm socket for Commodores, like the older models like VR, VS, VN, and that's, I think VT I'm pretty sure as well, and VY, VZ. I'm not sure about VE. But yes, that's a sneaky little purchase I got today. Put it back in there with the spare wheel and the old one. So yeah, that's in there. Put this cap back on. If any of my friends are watching this, or anyone, and you're going to try to steal these little things, you won't see the end of it. The only thing you'll see the end of is life. Not going to lie. Because, yeah, don't try to be a sneaky bastard on me. There we go. Put that back in there. If you guys want your boot to be cleaner, just get a little tub or something. Chuck your stuff in there, even a little toolbox. Like, I've got one over here. Just a toolbox. Something that will hold your stuff. Then always carry spare, like, oils and I haven't got any car oil in here yet, but like just stuff that you might need if you break down or something breaks, like screwdrivers, sockets and stuff. But yeah, actually we'll be needing this. So yeah, so we'll close this boot. Actually no, we will keep it open actually. Go plug this in, let it warm up, and get to doing that. Okay guys, so while I have got this warming up, that is all I've got, but the other stuff is glow in the dark shit, which I don't think I'll want. But yeah, so well, hopefully that lasts me, because I just want to do like this corner bit so it stays in. But yeah, one day I'll probably get it fixed, and get some more glue, but hopefully that works for now. If not, figure it out another day. But while I'm waiting for that, I just want to show you guys, I just quickly, a few nights ago I actually just had, because I had this mat just sitting around, or not mat, carpet, that's from the house, just spare carpet, so that way the car can go on that. It's actually quite a good idea. Yeah, so if you guys want to spruce up your like car workshop area, maybe just get a mat or something, because I don't like my area messy, but it is quite messy right now. But that shelf is moving, and yes, you guys will see in the future videos. But yeah, I'm just going to tell you that I just did that just so it feels a bit more homely for the car. The good old beast. But yeah, see, this is dry. Hot. Yeah, oh yep, that's hot. Okay, so I'll put you back on the tripod, and then yeah, so we'll get to it. Okay guys, so I have this here. I'm just gonna shove a little bit of glue please be enough. Hopefully this works. Right there. Oh, I don't want to get any on the garnish. Oh, that's hot. Okay guys, so I just did that. So we just tripod out of the way. Come up pretty good. You can see the stuff there, I'll probably clean that up. I glued it there and down there a little bit. Yeah, I'll clean it up, maybe with a bit of sandpaper or something, just to clean up the top. Something that will get it down. But other than that, it's staying on there. It's a bit like wobbly and all that compared to this side, but it's good enough fix for now. Quick easy fix. And yeah, so did burn myself a little bit cleaning it up, bastard everything. But yeah, so but that is a quick easy fix guys, for like some trim on the outside. It's probably not the best looking stuff, but if you did it well and took your time and like did a full strip down there if you wanted to, if you had enough glue of course, you could have done that. But you can pick some of these things up for like probably $3-4 these things from somewhere like $2 shop, Kmart or something, and the glue sticks are probably only like $1 or something. Well, depends where you get it from. But yeah, so that's a cheap easy way to fix for under $2-3, depends where you get it from. But yeah, and another thing we will do in this video real quick is see how this guard is pointing out. It's because there is no screw and the top of that is worn out completely. So I quickly made up something earlier. So that's the original screw that was just screwed into the actual body. But I quickly made up this little plate, drilled a hole into, So that just goes into there, and this will be this will stop the plate from, stop the screw. Hang on, let me start again. Stop the screw from going all the way through and not stopping. So this will actually, just show you guys real quick. This will actually stop the screw from going through any further. And yeah, so because if the screw was just normally in there, it would go straight through and wouldn't stay there properly and wiggle out. So hopefully that's a better idea, and that helps it stay there for longer. And then one day I'll probably get it fixed properly, because I'm gonna, once I get all this stuff fixed up, like all the bushes underneath, then I'm gonna take it to the body shop, and then we'll go from there and get it painted, and then hopefully window tinting. But we're not worried about that yet, because we need to get this thing on the road. So yeah, so I just quickly made up that. I'm just quickly going to pop it on, and I'll get back to you guys. In the bumper sticks out a little bit on the width there, but that's fine. So yeah, if you guys can see, put the plate, and then let's focus a bit. The plate, and then the screw, and that stops it from moving out and then pulling out. So that's nice and tight there. So that's pretty much it. So fix that, feel pretty good. Now that that's all done, feel quite good. Don't you just guys feel good when you've accomplished something? Like, feels pretty good. Oh yeah, I kind of got braces too, so if I'm speaking a bit weird, that's why. I'm not very good speaking anyway. It's a bit blurry here. I'm not very good speaking anyway. But yeah, so shut that. Statesman's looking mint. Soon she'll be even minter. As I said, the Gearheads Oz sticker is going to go straight across there, but I reckon it's going to suit it, because old mate in Gearheads Oz with his, I think it's like a bluey colour, his VS Statesman, or VR, I'm pretty sure it's a VS. It looks mad with it, pretty sure he's got it there, but I just reckon the sticker will look mint there, so that's going to be good. And maybe the smaller one up the top, I don't know, or maybe a Rimac sticker somewhere, but I don't want the car to look weird, just saying that. I want it to look nice and clean. These pinstripes are definitely going back on, new paint job and all that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. New tyres coming soon. Yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that quick video on how to fix your trim for under $5. Yeah, and that quick little DIY bumper fix. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go like and subscribe to see more of the Statesman. Yeah, I hope to see you guys more in the future, and yeah, so go like, go subscribe, comment down below to see more of this beast, and to see more of me doing more dumb shit and more cars. There's going to be a few more soon, maybe. No, I'm not going to spill any secrets, but yes, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go like, go subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.